Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So apparently, before I sold my 2012 Mercedes-Benz C250, I actually upgraded the license plate lights. And apparently I forgot about the video, so today I'm uploading the video on how to do it. So the thing is, it's not the same process as a 2008 to 2011 C-Class. Those actually use halogen bulbs for the license plate lights, and the process is actually a lot easier than the 2012 to 2015 C-Class that uses an LED housing. So there are a little more steps involved, but this is how I did it. To remove the trunk liner, I'm going to first use a Torx screwdriver, and I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 Torx screws. And then afterwards, I'm going to use a trim removal tool to remove all the trim screws on the inner lining, and they look just like this. Next, I'm going to have to unplug this, which is for the emergency exit button. I'm just going to pull it off. And once that's detached, I can remove the entire lining and set it aside. So underneath, you're going to see the light right there and another connector right there. And I'm just going to stick a screwdriver in and pop up that gray tab. Now I'm going to push on that tab and pull the connection right off. So now I'm going to squeeze the side of that bulb housing and push it through. But the issue here is right here. It's stuck. This black trim piece is in the way. So that means I'm going to have to go ahead and remove it. So to remove it, I'm going to use a Torx screwdriver and remove those 2 Torx screws. Once those are removed, I'm going to use another trim removal tool, and I'm going to stick it right above here, so right into this crack, and I'm going to pull down, and there's about 4 tabs holding that chrome piece to the actual trunk itself. There, you can see it right there. It's an orange kind of like tab or plastic screw. But once those are all popped off, this whole entire piece comes right off. And now I can go ahead and push from the inside and free up that light housing. So here's a stock housing. You can see it's only 1 LED chip, and then this brand new one I got online, both have 4 LED chips. 4. So that's going to be a lot of light coming out of it, and it's actually going to be installed the same exact way as the old one. So I'm just going to reverse install everything, and I should be good to go. So let me show you how they look. There, you can immediately see the difference between the OEM light and the aftermarket light. Just look how bright that is compared to stock. It's so much better. Also, just take a look at the light that it shines on the ground. The OEM versus the aftermarket, it's so much brighter. It just looks so much better. Well, there you have it, another really easy mod for the 204 C-Class. It really enhances the overall look and make the car look a lot more luxurious. So I hope you liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.